the lightest combat aircraft in the world. One of the highlights of this aircraft is the control laws, which is known as colloquially as the fly-by-wire of any aircraft. So what is the fly-by-wire? What it basically does, if I want to explain it to the layman, is that between an input that the pilot gives and output that is reflected at the control surfaces, there's a computer. That computer is nothing but has captured the entire mathematical model of the aircraft, and based on what the pilot demands,